How to add poll sticker in YouTube Shorts. YouTube has introduced a poll sticker feature for Shorts, allowing creators to engage their audience through interactive polls directly within their short form videos. Here's how you can add a poll on sticker to your YouTube Shorts. Ensure you are using the latest version of your YouTube app on your smartphone. Launch your YouTube app. Now click on the plus icon given at the bottom middle. With that, you will be directed to this page. Click on the option of Shorts. Then you can shoot the short video or you can upload it from the gallery. I'm gonna upload it from the gallery. Once you have selected the video, from here you can trim it. Then you can click on Done. Now click on this right icon given at the bottom right. Once you're in this page, at the right corner you're gonna find a fin option. Click on this sticker option. Now here you're gonna get this option of poll. Click on that. Now you can type in your question and provide two response options for viewers to choose from. Customize the appearance and position of the poll sticker on a video as desired. Once you have set up your poll, tap Next. Now add a title, select the appropriate visibility settings and any other details. Then click on Upload Short. The poll feature is currently rolling out and may not be available to all the users immediately. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version to access new features. And this is how you can add poll sticker in your YouTube Shorts. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.